Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video, we are going to discuss second sum of assessment exam, section 1, second question guys. In the previous video, we discussed first question. So, find the HCF of 240 and 430 by using Euclid division algorithm. Find the HCF of 240 and 430 by using Euclid division algorithm. Let's see how to solve this sum. Find the HCF of 240, 430 by using Euclid division algorithm. So what is the given terms guys? They are asking to find the HCF of 240 and 430 using Euclid algorithm. So this is the formula. A equal to BQ plus R. In nothing but dividend rule only. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Based on that, we need to solve. Now, so dividend is the highest value. Okay, A value is the highest value and 240 is a divisor and quotient one time, remainder is 190. Okay, now mention all the terms. What is A, what is B, what is Q, what is R according to the formula. Now consider 240 as B. Okay, remainder 190 as, so we need to solve for B, that is 240, and for 190. So 240 becomes as a dividend. So 190 is divisor, it goes one time. So remainder is 50 guys. Okay, again mention all the terms. What is A, what is B, what is Q, what is remainder R. So what is left out here? B and R. B is 190, R is 50. So here 190 is dividend, 50 is divisor. How many times it goes? 3 times. So remainder is 40. So mention again what is A value, what is B, what is Q, what is R. So what is left out? B and R here. B is 50, R is 40. So 50 is a dividend, 40 is a divisor. How many times? One time. Remainder is 10 guys. Okay. So mention all the terms. What is A? A is 50, B is 40, Q is 1, quotient is 1, remainder is 10 according to this. Now consider B value and R value. Okay. 40 is a dividend, 10 is a divisor. How many times? 4 times, and there is no remainder. So for which value we are getting the remainder as 0. So that one we need to consider. So here we are getting 0 for 40 and 10, right? Therefore HCF equal to 10 guys. HCF equal to 10. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.